So autonomous vehicles, aka self-driving vehicles, are all the rage at the moment. They are very much in the public eye and something that is going to become more and more visible as time goes on. And when it comes to public transport, there are already some autonomous options out there. I believe there's a Docklands Light Railway over in London where there are no drivers on the trains. It is all autonomized. But bringing that kind of self-driving vehicles to the road is not an easy transition. Again, it requires a lot of trust and a lot of testing to be able to do that. Now, Renault, the French car giant, they are very much investing in this as well, researching this as well. So let's have a look at what's been said about this, guys, because I think there's been some big developments when it comes to autonomous public transportation over in France, most likely, given the fact that it is Renault. So let's have a look at what's been said here, guys. Full article on themotoringchronicle.com as always. In May 2024, Renault Group unveiled its autonomous vehicle strategy and launched for the very first time in Europe with its partner WeRide, an open road air experimentation with 2 autonomous minibuses running during the Roland Garros Tennis International, aka the French Open. With 1,000 kilometers covered and nearly 700 people transported, this is the first full-scale demonstration of the maturity of the technology, as well as the relevance of this transportation solution for passengers. Following this successful experimentation, many mobility players, local authorities, transportation operators, private site managers, etc., have shown their interest in operating this solution in their territories. New experiments are already underway across Europe, such as in Zurich, Switzerland, Valencia, France. Now that's in Spain. Barcelona also in Spain, and several more will be announced very soon. Oh, it's Valence in France. There we go. It's not Valencia, it's Valence. So that's the mistake there. So I do apologize for that. But yeah, in Barcelona, this is being run in the heart of a major European city. Anybody who's been to Barcelona will know it very much qualifies as a major European city. Between the 10th and the 14th of March, Renault and WeRide are allowing the general public, I should say, to discover today the urban mobility of tomorrow, with 2 autonomous electric minibuses on a 2.2 kilometer open road loop in the heart of the streets of Barcelona. Over in Valence in France, they are experimenting between the 10th of March and the 19th of April, and they are implementing a commercial service of level 4 automated shuttles, and that is targeted from July 2025. Betty, who is a French private public transport operator, Massif, who is an insurer of the vehicles and Betty's partner, WeRide and Renault Group are deploying the first automated mobility network with a high level of service in Valence in France to connect a TGV railway station to many players in the 162 hectare business park that surrounds it. Over in Switzerland, in Zurich, at the airport, they've got a private area with high security requirements for this. The experimentation conducted by WeRide in Zurich has been ongoing since January 2025, and this aims to make it easier for employees to travel between the terminals. It thus demonstrates the ability of autonomous technologies to operate in complex environment and meet high requirements such as safety and reliability in an airport. So yeah, some interesting thoughts on there, guys. Some interesting experiments being run. Do go check out the article if you've not seen the whole thing. There's some more information on there that I can't go into because I don't have enough time on this video. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, I do get it. But the problem is with autonomous vehicles in general is people. And I don't mean that in terms of the trust that people have, because I think in certain environments, such as like an airport or something like that, people will be fine with it. People will trust it. But the problem is reacting to free radicals, as it were, people out there driving like idiots, like we always see. Every country's got them, even relatively chill places like Switzerland. They definitely have them. France and Spain 100% have them too. So it's kind of how it reacts to people being idiots on the open road. I think that's one of the biggest things. And then it'll just become more and more commonplace. They'll keep working on the technology. They'll keep improving it. That's what these experiments are for at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm all for it as long as it's safe and everything. And it's gonna be a long path for us to get to that point, but it will get there. It will absolutely get there. But yeah, for much more news on the world of EVs, autonomous cars, and everything in between, do keep it tuned here to themotoringchronicle.com. Have a fantastic day ahead, guys. See you very soon. Like, share, comment, subscribe to see much more content like this. And yeah, have a great day.